Okay, what I'm doing is I'm going to be making a Stranger Things light ball. Light ball is what I said, not bulb. With all the Christmas lights and this flickering special effects light I got. I taped it to the flicker side because I don't want it to accidentally get switched over. And it's going to be the prop where Joyce holds the bundle of lights talking to Will. And that's what I'm trying to create. And I want people that walk through my Stranger Things haunt to be able to hold that ball and sit in the chair and take a picture and experience that. So that's what I'm doing right now. So the first thing I did is I taped that little toggle switch so it'll stay on the flicker mode. I'm going to wrap it with bubble wrap into a circle, and then I'm going to start wrapping these around it as well. And then once that's done, I'm going to leave a cord out to plug it in. And after I leave the cord out to plug it in, that's the only cord they'll see. That's going to be plugged to the wall while they hold on to it. So I'm going to do that right now. So I used some packing tape and I did the bubble wrap around that. Now I'm just going to start tangling the Christmas lights around that. And maybe have to tape a little bit, but not too much. And I know this video is pretty bad. I had a pipe break into my kitchen, and so we've been living like this, no kitchen, for about 4 months now. And Halloween has been, well, it's not Halloween yet, but October. Halloween's in 3 days, and I'm still making props. October has been pretty brutal with the heat and the 100 degrees and the 70-mile-per-hour winds and fires and no kitchen and haunted hay rides that I also help with. It's been a pretty crazy year. So it's set. So this is my mess trying to get the Stranger Things light ball all done. I like this strand right here because it has one of those boxes where you can choose how you want it to flicker. And to me that seems like a Stranger Things flicker there, or I could do a slow glow. I'm leaving a steady strand, and then in the middle I have my flickering light bulb to also give it a little bit of a cool effect. So right now I'm just going to wrap it all together. I'm going to use some zip ties, some tape, and at the base over here I zip tied all 3 of my plugged in lights so I could plug it all in at the same time. So here it is, my ball of lights. And I think it's going to look pretty amazing. So you can see I have 3 strands held together here with one zip tie that I can plug in. I can roll it around, I can hold it. I put one strand that wasn't lit. It was a broken strand just to fill it up a little bit. And I think it's going to look pretty dang cool when you have someone holding on to it in their lap talking to Will from the other side.